In this video, I'm going to show you potentially the easiest way to make money on Etsy. In fact, when I discovered this, I was actually kind of shocked that you could do this. So watch this entire video to learn step by step how you can do this too. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, I'm Alston with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. Now, as you know, Etsy is an online shop that you can upload both digital and physical products, and we're going to upload very easy, very simple to make digital products really with all free software. So let's go ahead and get right into it. What you're seeing on your screen right now is you are seeing a logo. It's a simple logo that you can find online. If we scroll down here, this person is simply just uploading logos and making money. Now, just look at the numbers here. They've made almost 4,000 sales. They have a number of these logos in people's carts, so people have them saved to come back and buy later, so they have a potential to make a lot more money. As you can see, also they are selling these logos for about $1. They're probably making about 75 to 80 cents because Etsy takes their cut, but still they're making money. Are you going to become rich overnight with this? Probably not, but it can be a way to add some extra income just in case you need it. So let's go ahead and talk about how they're doing it. Now, this is really simple. And again, I was surprised that they're doing it. What they're doing is they're going over to Google and they're typing in, let's say Walmart, for example, Walmart logo, as you see here. And then you can go over to images and you can find all sorts of Walmart logos. The next step is to simply find one and download it. We're going to click on this one. We are going to click Write Save, and we're going to click Save Image As. And what you'll see here is I'm just going to save this as Walmart so I know where it is. And this is going to save to our computer. And then the next step is to remove the background, because if we open this should have a background. We're going to show in folder here. When we open this should have a background that we'll need to get rid of, and you can get rid of it for free. So let's show in folder. All right, so right now it looks like Walmart does have this background. And what we're going to do is we are just going to search background remover. All right, so I search background remover. So I search background remover free, and there's a few of them out there. As long as they're willing to do it for free, it doesn't really matter which one you choose. So what the next step is to just find your logo here, click open, and it should remove your background. As you can see here, because it's a white background, it's saying it's not working. Let's find a different one to use. Let's see, let's use this one. And we are going to, again, we're going to go Write Save there, save that. And let's go back over here. We're going to go back up to this removal tool. We're going to choose a different photo. And then we are going to remove this one because it's blue. Hopefully this works out a little bit easier for us. And it's going to work on this background. And what we can do is we can click on download. And then now that we have this here, we can go over to Canva, which is another free tool. We're going to go canva.com. And let's see, we're going to start a new design here. And let's see, we'll get rid of this. All right, so now that we have our design, we're going to go back over to our image that we just created. And we're going to drag this over. All right, so use this one, remove.bg, and we can go and upload an image. What we're going to do is we are going to pick this image, click open, and then it's going to remove the image. We're going to click download. That downloads to our computer. Next is we're going to go over to Canva, one of the best sites on the internet, and we're going to create a design, or we can use one of the templates. What we can do just to save time here is we are going to say landscape. And we'll just use any one of these. We'll use poster landscape. That's going to work for our purposes. We're going to open up a blank landscape here. And then the final step is to just drag and drop. Now, believe it or not, it's that simple. And just to show you what we've done here is I'm going to drag and drop a number of these just to show you exactly. This is the one that we just created in the background remover. Because the image is blue, and then the lettering is white, you can see that's why that looks like that. But I mean, it's really that simple. It's not something that's difficult. I mean, the final step would be to simply go over here to download this as a PNG, a JPEG, and even a PDF. Now, what you'd want to do, because this is what this person did, is they have multiple images for the same logo or for the same company. As you can see, like Gucci has multiple, Versace, Louis Vuitton, Marlboro, they have multiple ones. So you'd want to make sure that you find, this is the Walmart here that I referenced, you'd want to make sure that you find multiple Walmart images. Now, before we continue on, I should add a disclaimer. I don't know if this is legal and legit simply because you are taking trademark brands and names and you're selling them. So I don't know if there's some little loophole because they're selling multiple logos at one time. It makes it unique or whatever, but just be careful. Again, there's 4,000 sales here. So that means that someone's buying these and it's been up on Etsy. In fact, if you search logos, you could search, we'll search Walmart logo. And you can see that people are doing this, Walmart logo. You can see that there are tons of people that are making something similar. Costco, Walmart. There's just a lot of ways to make money on Etsy. And again, just be careful because I don't know how, this is probably gray hat. There's got to be some sort of loophole because they're using trademarks that they can get away with it. I just found this to be really interesting and a really unique way to make money. Now that you know how to make money with simple logos, click the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next to learn more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.